My parents were married for 50 years. My father worked for Continental Baking Company, Wonder Bread, started out as a route salesman. Before he was married to my mother, he was going to pharmacy school, but fell in love, got married, and decided that he'd work for a living, but had always promised to go back.
In 1992, I contacted the school and I asked what would I need in order to get my diploma. We put together a curriculum that included my work experience. And so in '93, I graduated from the University of Buffalo and it made my life pretty fantastic. It was great.
We were all just extremely proud of him. It meant a lot to him. It's important to contribute to those organizations that have meaning to you. The University of Buffalo has provided opportunities, resources, and experiences that have allowed us to be the people that we are today. And I'm hoping that when my children sit at the table and someone else is the co-trustee, they'll think of University of Buffalo because it's been a value to our family.